Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right. What is this? Good afternoon. What up? What up? All right, we here. All right, got everything set up, I think. Oh, yeah, I need to do... Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna refresh this. I don't think we're likely to get a trade, but if we do, let's add this. Let's manage the group. There we go. Put that over there. Perfect. What up, John? How's it going? Coach Fred in the house. All right. All right. Big tall hoops and single male. Okay. We'll kind of talk about what we're looking for here in a moment. What we're looking for. I tell them. Can't be singing this song in front of you guys. Too many, what up, Mo? It's too, it's got too many curse words. I agree. All right. What do we know? I didn't. Weird. Why are futures so stalled out? Is that what you said? Is that what you mean? Are they stalled out? I mean, we just went straight up today. No real pullbacks. Oh. Well, Harmonized, they're closed between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern. So that's why. All right. So let's look at this, guys. We had whatever this was at 4:30, a 100-point candle. I don't know what that was, but it's got to be data. So what I'm thinking, I would like a gap down somewhere in here, and we could look to ride this thing back up to the 410. Now, if we look at the ES, what has the ES already done? ES has already taken out the data low. So that leads me to believe that we're going up next. But I need Nasdaq to cooperate here and take out the data low as well. Everything disappeared when I did that. All right, back. We're back. So it's kind of what I'm thinking. What up, Miss K? Amazon and Apple earnings, nice. So that is a data wick, right? So that's my thought process. Let's gap down and open, even just wick it. I'm okay with that. And let's get long for that run back into the 410. I also do feel like we go higher. You know, this is an hourly gap up here. Top of Sunday's gap is up there. But if we look on the hourly, here, we actually have a really nice hourly low resistance liquidity here. So we've made a couple of runs at it, but not really been able to break it up yet. You could even draw it from a little higher there if you wanted to. So the run back into like 29,350. I know that's about 1,000 points up. First things first, let's get through this gap at 630s. Then we'd be pretty confident we're headed to the 780s, so on and so forth. Now, listen, I'm not saying we're going straight up. Could something like this occur? Yeah, of course. But based on what I see there, we've broken out of the hourly and the 4-hour trend line here, right? Nice 4-hour trend line, downtrend. So let's see if that can continue. Now we are in resistance. So if we are going to turn down, this would be where it would happen. But I still think at a minimum we push to the 410s. At a minimum. Minimum 410s. Apple was the most valuable company in the queue. Not anymore. Oh. Amazon up 12%. Apple down 9%. Nice. That's all right. Listen, there's still a huge company. Huge. And I'll show you guys kind of what we're looking at on the ES. I don't really think we're going to get an ES trade, but I never know. So on the ES, let's bring it over. This right here, this is an old note. You can take that off. And I misspelled decent. So basically this level here, the 400 level, if it could sweep 93 and then get the recovery of 400, that's going to be an okay trade. Your higher quality failed breakdown is 73.53. We kind of put a low in at lunchtime in this area right there. Or at 4 o'clock this morning, I'm sorry. London low down there. So the breakdown there, and then your really good failed breakdown is going to be 24. That's going to be the A+ one. That would be effectively retracing the entire move from today. So I don't really know that we get a trade on the ES, but you never know. Immediately, I kind of expect us to push back up to the 7,500. Maybe test a 75.06 up there. So we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. What up, Sovereignty? Um, hmm. All right. Tony Gold in the house. Ringed out like a bell. All right. All right, let's see what we want to do today. I'm looking on looking at my Bulenox accounts. I would like to pass one more Bulenox. I mean, a 300 bounce could be interesting. All right, I've got about 5 minutes till open here. So I'm bullish, obviously. We could get some sort of pullback. I mean, we could. We kind of, you know, we got that liquidity to the upside, right? The trend line that I pointed out. But look at this here. Look at this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth would be your breakthrough. Now, what would have to happen for me to like this? What do you guys think? If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know exactly what needs to happen here for me to like the short. What would need to happen is we would need to open up and just rally, run the data high, full port degen action. We would need to push up, run the data high, and then get some sort of inversion out of there, leaving the data wick down here, and then having low resistance liquidity below, right? That'd be the only way I would like the short. I mean, could it happen? Sure. Needs me to show you its PP? That too. What up, Alexi? Showing the PP it's a good option too. It's a good option. I usually leave the showing the PPs to Husk. Usually leave that to Husk, you know. He loves it when something shows its PP to him. I'm showing that P today. I'm trying to harmonize. I'm trying. All right, let's get the giveaway going. Here we go. Peace. What? Oh. Nice tan lines. They are very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You got a higher time frame tan line there. A higher time frame that we've kind of already broke through and started to kind of run some of that. But I mean, a really perfect 2-minute tan line here as well. I mean, it's perfect. So again, I want to see us open up, pull back. Give me an opportunity to get long. Give me a little pullback into maybe the 300 here. Bounce. That would be nice. Yeah. Jamming out over here, guys, right before the market opens. Are we going to get some volatility? We'll see. Look at us trying to get in there. Don't worry, I'll delete his entry. Yeah. That's what he does to me. The thing is, with Husk giveaways, there'll be like 10 people in there, and I never can still win. I don't think I've ever won. There's like 10 people in the giveaway, and I still can't win. We still can't get the W. Of course, he says I'm disqualified. I'm disqualified. Mo, you know what it feels like? Uh-oh. You've been here years. Mo, you did win something. How's it going, Dennis? You did win something one time. I rigged it for you. You've had enough of volatility. If you're on the right side of it, it's fine, right? I ain't been on the right side of it either, so I feel you. All right, guys, get ready. Can you have an account? We got to win it. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. So we got what we were looking for there. All right, I'm in. I'm going to look for 5 on these first 5. And I'm going to be scaling out along the way here. Taking 2 more off there. What do we got left? 3. That's what we're looking for here, guys. Exactly what we wanted to happen. Now we just need to squeeze through the 4 10s. I'm going to take 1 more off, down to 2 here. Bang! Who's calling out the trades like methodical? Come on now. Come on now. Just opening up the night with a nice 50-point banger right away. That was truly rigged. Yeah, it was. Who's calling them out like this, guys? Who's calling it like this? I don't know. Who's calling it? Tell me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. $17.60, Coach Fred. Let's go. What up, heads up? 3 minis. Dang. He put the boys on the table. All outlined before the market opened. And guess what? This thing could go a lot higher, guys. Man, I'm so tempted to just take this up higher. I'm going to, guys. ES has not run that gap. ES is nowhere near that wick. Nowhere near. I think this thing is going to go. I'll lock some in. Let's just lock in like 50 points. So I'm going to lock in 50. I'm going to see if it can go. I mean, ES just nowhere near the gap, guys. I think that if either ES is going to pull the NQ down here, or we're just going to go to the moon. Those are kind of the options. 74.98 the gap on the ES. We're 20 points away. By the way, NQ has not hit the gap yet. Did it? Did it double top at the gap? Oh, it didn't hit it. It missed it. Man, I'm so tempted to chase the NQ over here. Do I chase it? NQ has not ran it yet, guys. What about him? To the moon. You want to fly high. My Final Future 25K rapid and 50K rapid. Once you hit the buffer, there is no difference. Yes, exactly, Alpha. Exactly. Come on now. Don't slow down now. Got a new 5-minute candle here. Again, NQ did not run that candle yet, guys. Expecting one more push higher here since NQ did not run that yet. You're new watching. What's your method in a nutshell? I like inversions as my main strategy. That was from the veterinary office. Uh-oh. I usually play inversions, but you know, I like the data wicks and stuff too. So like that data was kind of obvious there. That data wick play. This should continue up here, guys. It might flag, but it should go. Because again, trying to make sure NQ did not run it. It didn't. It did not run it. So maybe taking a little breather here. I actually should probably, you know what? I want to move this down a little. like 25. I think this thing's going to go back up here. I could actually add.
Jordan's gonna come out. Hate to see you in the club. You're popping with a mug.
But he was with me. ES holding up there, 75.75. Sinister, smash that like, then sub. Let's go. Let's see if this thing bull flags here and gets back up there. Again, ES or Nasdaq, the NQ did not run the data. MNQ did. So I've been no to rattle, girl. What up, my mouth? Anybody pick that up? Anybody see that? Did you get it? Let me know if you got it in the chat. Don't tell me nobody even saw it. Nobody even see it? Someone got it? If you got it, let us know in the chat, guys. Somebody had to have gotten it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we dropped a free code right there in chat. It said nothing. Didn't say a word. Apex not supported in Egypt. That's okay. There'll be other giveaways too. They're not all Apex. Come on, rip this thing through the 14s. Rip it through there. Go! Go! Spike it! Spike it! That's rude. Who am I? $4.6 Seneca. Two-factor having to find your phone was too slow. I hear you. Previous day high. Where's that at? Go! 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 I just need 1450. Hit that wick. Hit it! Oh, you're talking about the 410? Yeah. What I know about Project Pat? I don't know. What is that? Oh, well, just didn't want to go there. What you think of doing? We're trying, Alpha. We're trying. Oh my goodness, guys. No limit cap on payouts. I don't know. I mean, my funded futures even still they have one. But Take Profit Trader's good. Lucid. I mean, they're everybody's good. I don't know as far as like caps. Alexi might know that. What up, Donovan? He wants to know if there's any props that don't have any caps on payouts. No limit cap on payouts. I guess on the pro account you can get as much as you want up to 100K with my funded. Did also enter this over here on a TPT eval. I've already taken 10 mics off. We popped 400. I think we moved to 410 pretty quickly here. Should squeeze here. Got the trail stop on. Big winner here. Come on, hit it. Funded seat. Oh, I've never heard of them, Alexi. Besides the 100K, you can get like 10K in one payout. Oh, okay. I don't know. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Not this. Hit this up here. In fact, stick it through the high. Come on, go. Squeeze it. Get through there. Squeeze it. Squeeze that thing. Come on, a little short-term trend line. Come on, go. 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 You want more. Come on, you want more. Should just get a spike here. Come on, give us a spike. Give me a nice spike right through there. That's the wrong way. Come on. Stopped me out of the majority of the position there, but it's okay. We will try it again. Get like 10K in one pay up. You haven't seen another one like that? Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. Stop me out. That's all right. We're going to try it again. We are going to try it again. How does that not hit right there? So crazy. I've never heard of funded seat. Is that a new prop? I'm going to buy 75. I'm going to buy 75 here. 74. Oh, they're not new. I've never heard of. How have I never heard of them? Funded seat. I don't really want to buy the. Rather have that lower entry there, but. Interesting. Oh, come on. After you maxed out one of the more popular ones. All right, so we get tagged in here, guys. I'm gonna move this stuff back up for. Let's put this at the high. Oh, I don't mean to sell 20 there. I want to sell 10 there. Good evening, Son of Wall Street. How you doing? Come on, squeeze this thing up there. That's not what I want. Get down there. Wow, guys. All right. Might just get wrecked. How's that thing not go? My chat keeps disconnecting. I don't know what's going on with it there. There we go. That's a good candle. Get it through there. Think everybody's checking? So there must be something going on. Come on, rip this thing back through there. Rip this thing through there. Alexi, let me see how many we got. We needed 8 earlier. Come on. Looks like we need 6 more. Oh, 5 more. This is going to be crazy here. I should go short with the data wick above. I prefer not to. But you might be right. I'll probably just add. Might get stopped out over here on the eval. We're already up on that. We'll be up $400-ish, even if we get stopped out. Yeah, but that's a data wick up there, War. We're going to go back to that level. We did not run that on NQ. We ran it on MNQ, but not NQ. So I think it goes back up there. I could be wrong. Yeah, my drawdown's end of day. It's also 4,500. This is an eval, so I'm going to be a little more aggressive with it. A lot more aggressive with it. It's funny because Funded Seats website looks a lot like Lucid. Like a lot like Lucid. Let me see. I want to look at the rules. So Alexi's already recommending the Ultra plan, so let's check that out. Let's check it out. You get 50% off your first 2 purchases. I requested a code with them, but I haven't gotten it yet. But I'm going to take a look here. Oh, you get daily withdrawals, end of day drawdown, uncapped payouts, 100K before going live. Let's see how many accounts you can have and stuff like that. Only if you need daily unlimited payouts. Hey, that's nice, right? It's nice. Nice. Do I do day trading only? Yes. Yep. New 15-minute candle here. Trade of 8 with funded seat. Let me see what platforms. They have Deep Charts, TradeC, Rhythmic, Quantower, and ATOS. If you're okay with the limited daily payouts. Oh, you can choose your own consistency too. Strange. Let me see. Oh, tagged in here. Stopped out over there. $76. Let's sell 10 at 76. Got a little. YouTube's tripping. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't see Trade of 8 though, Jane. I mean, we might get the short setup here. The problem that I have is like NQ left that data wick up there. So there's the trigger on the 2. Didn't close below on the 5 yet. But how are we going to leave that data low up there, or data high? Yeah, no, use MM alpha. Always use MM. Always use MM. Unless you don't want to. We have to promote the YouTube on the show, so. But on my channel, I'm always going to tell you to use code MM. Well, is this going to be an area where we bounce? Maybe. 45% off. Okay. So the 25K account, let me see. End of day drawdown, $1,000 in drawdown. Daily payouts, I assume $1,100. Oh, but you do have, oh, there's no daily loss limit. Do they have a daily loss limit in the funded? Or not daily loss limit, consistency rule. I don't see one on there. What? What's a data wick? It's just a wick that's left by a news event, right? So we had earnings. You see this big wick up here. M&Q took it, but you never chart on M&Q. You always chart on NQ. And NQ did not take that wick. I'll show you here. So you can see NQ did not take it. The high of this candle is 1375. The high of this one's 1450. So that, I know it's going to go back there. How it gets there is the question. Can I withstand how it gets there? Okay, not in funded. Awesome. Yeah, so I'm looking at kind of playing around with the stuff over here. So basically, I can make $1,000 day one and be at daily payout in the funded. See, they got a 26% consistency rule in the eval. It's a little bit ticky-tack, but once you get funded, I mean, I guess it's no different than trading 5 days on Take Profit Trader, right? Means you just have to take base hits until you passed. It would take you 4 days to pass there with a 26% consistency. All right, let's get this momentum going. Let's squeeze this thing. Dun, 20%, 26%. I mean, it's not great, but it's not horrible. I've seen worse. I can work with it. Come on, bink it. Bink it! Oh, come on, really? Get up there. Get up there. Definitely didn't want the stop to go up there. I'll take 20 on the second set of 10. Price of 25K is competitive. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Bigger accounts are, I didn't even look at the bigger ones yet. Oh, I see they are a little bit more. 239. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take some of that off there. Get this down to a more manageable level. $220 for the 50K. Yeah, that's expensive. Oh, come on, man. I didn't want you to go up there. Get through the 90. This should go. Yeah, for sure. You have a little joint I passed the other day, 5K. Let's go. Back through 400s here, guys. We should squeeze. Should squeeze right to the high here. Come on, let's go. Get it through there. I wish that trail wasn't on there. I got to take that off. Every 10 points, it trails more. Minute and a half to a new 5-minute candle. Squeeze it. Get your ass back down here. It keeps trying to go. It's like, oh, I want to follow. Oh, come on. What was that? That was wild. I didn't see that on NQ. That was only on M&Q there. Maybe I should lock some in. And I just think if it gets through the 400 here, we'll get that fast squeeze. Of course, I thought that earlier. Get up there. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Get up there. Come on. Let's go. What are we doing? I do, Coach Fred. I haven't been looking at them recently. It's not because I don't like them. I just haven't been looking at them. We've had so much volatility in the ES or in the NQ that I haven't needed to. A lot of times I look at gold when NQ is dreadfully slow. But honestly, I haven't looked at gold in a while. We'll be coming back for that at some point. Yeah, Jamie, that's the problem. That's why I almost want to put this down here. It's not on NQ, though. I don't see that on NQ. Let me check M&Q on the one. I guess it is on the 1 minute. Or no, that's on M&Q. Let me go to the 1 minute on NQ. Yeah, see that wick, I guess a small wick. I don't know. There's no reason this thing shouldn't go to 415 here on the NQ. Really no reason. Hey. Get your ass back down here. Come on. It's just annoying. I got to go in there and turn that trail stop off. Come on, rip it. Crystal hit another payout today in Apex. I think that puts her at I don't know. She'll have to correct me. Maybe she's like 3 grand this month, maybe 3,500. I don't even know. I think she got 2. Did she get? She's going to have a maximum Buell, I think twice 35. Maybe that's 40. Is that? Hold on. Let's see. 23 plus 5 was 4. Or hold on. Yeah, 3 plus 5 is 3,500. I think she might be at 4,500. Yeah, option. It's a little wild, man, to be honest. And it might get wilder, to be honest with you. It might get wilder, unfortunately. Crystal needs to start streaming. I know, I told her. I tried to get her to a while back. She created a channel and then never did it. She did it one night, I think. I wonder if she ever did she take that stream down or did she leave it up? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Get down. Get down here. I mean, I like the squeeze, but dang, the trail stop. I mean, it's a beautiful sound in my ear. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. All right, I guess at this point, if I get trailed out, it's fine. Thank you, Option. Appreciate you. I don't know why you like that Tom Sabo character, though. That guy's... He smells like Hungary. He smells like hungry. He smells like Langosh. Langosh. And he has a lot of back hair, you know? Come on, rip it! Do not get up here and double top. Rip that thing. Rip it! He's probably at home right now, shaving his back, as always. With Sabina watching him in the mirror, being grossed out. Going, what did I do to myself? Oh. Tom's funny. Yeah. Man, I know this thing's going up there. So that's why I'm trying to be so... Trying to be patient with it. Hey, Vanessa Braceño. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man.
To all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money.
Amazon did amazing. Yeah. Apple not very good for sure. What up, Vanessa? Come on, squeeze this thing. Everybody, who thinks it's getting up there and who thinks it's not? You guys think I'm getting stopped out? I'm watching the ES here, or not the ES, I'm watching the NQ. If it hits 1450, that's the target. There's the target, 1450. IRS gonna go, it's gonna go up. All right, let's go. Definitely not longing here. Yeah. Is it worth to pay $129 to activate an account in Apex? Yeah, I mean, why would it not be? You look for a place to short, Jamie. We are in a 5-minute rejection block here. So Might not be a bad idea. Maybe short after my target gets hit. That's probably best. Maybe that's best. What up, Trader 007? Thank you, Jamie. Thank you. But yeah, I think it's worth it. You're afraid if they deny your payout? No. Are you on a legacy account or the new account, Business Lens? Because the new accounts, there are no denied payouts. Also on the legacy account, there are no denied payouts because they tell you specifically on the dashboard what you've done wrong, if you've done anything wrong, and then what you got to do to fix it. So there's no such thing as a denied payout. If you're able to request a payout, it should not be denied. Yeah, you should never get a denial. Because if you're able to request, that means it's going to be approved. If it's going to be denied, you won't be able to request. That's how they're doing it now. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this.
The sofa, got to ride the limousine with the chauffeur.
Phone bill about 2G flat.
No need to worry.
That's a fat phone bill. You don't get those phone bills like that anymore. He must have been talking before 7 p.m. Approved, but maybe not always paid. That could be too. I don't know. I mean, I never have a problem. Again, your experience may be different. I've never had a denied payout, but I've always followed the rules. And also, I'm not building up a huge balance, right? I'm not trying to be a millionaire from a prop firm. Like, I'm taking my money. Taking my cash. Yeah, just a lot of noise on X, yeah. I mean, you know. True. And listen, if you're worried about that, Business Lens, I got good news for you. You got about 99 other prop firms that you could choose from. You got 99 prop firms. Or something like, how do you say that? I got 99 problems, but a prop firm ain't one. I don't quite know how we'd say that. What do I think of Patrick Whelan? I like Patrick. He's a funny guy. I think he puts on a great show. I used to watch Patrick every day until he came. See, like when I watched Patrick, that was like 6 or 7 years ago, and he wasn't over here screaming at the monitor. You know what I mean? So Austin had trouble with Apex. Yeah. Well, Austin, you got moved to live, right? And you decided to just take your 3K. And it took some time for them to give you your money, but they eventually did. So, but that's why I said everybody's experience is different. Everybody's experience is different. It is what it is. You can't sit through his music. Yeah, he does kind of play loud music. But there's so many different prop firms to choose from. If you don't like one, or if you have issues with one, hey, go with somebody else. It's no big deal. Not a big deal there. He blows 20 accounts randomly sometimes. Well, here's the thing though, like with Patrick, like money doesn't matter to him, right? So if he blows 30 accounts, he doesn't care. When you're making, $15, $20, $30,000 a day, does spending 5K on accounts matter to you? No. You tried Apex for the first time, got a free code, traded and passed. Let's go, Business Lens. There you go. Gonna be some wild BS tonight, 7:30 to 9:30. What's gonna happen? What's coming out? Option. You hope to get to that point before you die. Yeah, me too. The money's always going to matter to me. It doesn't matter how much I have. So There we go, guys. Here comes the squeeze. I'm watching over here. As soon as this breaches, I'm going to close. Stops trailing now. I really don't want to see this come back at this point. So I'm probably just going to let that stop trail. Why are we freezing here? Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Yeah, still a long way to go on the ES, and I am going to leave a runner on. I got another runner up here, business lens. Up there. Come on, pop it. So basically, I'm going to pull this down here, and if I see it hit over here, I'm going to close it. And we'll leave the lotto runner going. It might hit at both at the same time, and that'd be fine by me. Come on, pop it through there. Let's go. Japanese CPI, then China PMI. Oh, okay, BOJ rates. Got you. Come on. Come on. 5 more points. You can do it. 5 more points. Come on. Come on now. Oh, guys, it's coming so close and then not getting it. Now we got a new 5-minute candle. Check Forex Factory. Yeah. It's just not wanting to get there. Have I traded with Bluesky? Bluesky? No, I haven't. Business Lens. I haven't heard anything negative about them, but I haven't traded with them. Oh my goodness, guys. I am trying so hard to work this thing up to freaking the 16 area, but man, it's struggling. Oh. Again, I'm watching NQ over here. Wicket. Wicket. Holy cow, man. TJ wants to see a dump. Run. TJ, come on, man. What are we doing? Very unusual rules about payouts. Live need to be ready. Yeah. I don't know anything about them, really. I think I actually got a code with them or a link or something a long time ago, but never really used them or had any sales with them. Every time I pull that down, it pulls back. Every single time. Top of the hour in less than 3 minutes. Yeah, I know it, Mahmoud. The Bulls got to show up here. I need 1650 or 1450 on the NQ. Look at that 21 EMA bounce tonight. Twice. Bang. Bang. Give me 300 points so I can enter long. 2 weeks on Monday, waiting for the live. Sometimes they do take a minute. some of the props. Obviously, Apex takes a little minute too. I will say Trader's Launch moved, like, I think they moved me to live faster than any other prop firm I've ever seen. But that's their premise, right? Once you get past the buffer in the funded account, they move you to live. You have the account the next day. Rims and a body kit. Come on. It looks like the Apple earnings were not good and Amazon's were good. You love the 21. I like it on the 5-minute Mighty Mouse. It's my favorite. That's the only EMA I have on the 5-minute, as you can see. All right, guys, top of the hour in 1 minute. Let's see if we get the Hulk Smash Boner candle. Yeah, that's the Hulk Smash. Let me draw an actual size from Husk. Actual size. They moved to live almost instantly. Yes, I'm taking. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's weird. "22 seconds. Can it do it? Can it do it?" Let's count it down. Can we count it down? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Not looking good. 1. Blast off? Blast off? Question mark? Question mark? Try it? Question mark? Your target's 28,482. Oh, nice. I like it. I like it. Back above the high, the stop will trail again, and I'm going to let it just trail automatically at that point. It'll stay 10 points behind the price. Joom has arrived on the scene. Pump it up. Come on, man. Come on, man. What are we doing here? Oh, over 28,410. This pig is greased. We'll see. All right, here we go. Watching the NQ here still. Trying to get those final 6 points here. Final payout from Legends, which has trigger movement to live. We'll compare the timeline. Oh, okay, cool. How many payouts did you get from Legends until they moved you there, Alexi? I do want to trade. I do want to get some Legends accounts as well. There's a couple of other props I want to start trading with. I just haven't done it yet. I need to see a big candle above this wick. Come on, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Bang! Let's go. Bang! Still got a runner going to the 500 level. Only 5 when you request a 6, they move you to live instead of paying. Ah, that sucks. We're out by 7:30. I'm going to try. She's a runner. But you can see that setup there. It put me through some heat on the pullback here, but like exactly what we wanted to happen at the open. Exactly what we wanted to happen. You've been in this over 20 years. Oh. Oh, in all accounts. So do they give you 1 live account, Alexi, or 5? I got to do something about my lagging. Am I lagging? Let me see. I don't know. I can't tell. Let me see. I don't know. I mean, if it's lagging like that, I mean, I don't see anything that my stream health says. So it must be something going on if it's lagging. Might be something going on. And my chat did disconnect a lot too. Trade day's cheap. Yeah, I like trade day too. I like trade day. Get max 5 payouts from all your accounts and only accounts which had a payout from are moved to live. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, Jamie. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, up 386 and then up $1,700 right now on this 150K account. And still got a lotto runner going. Still got a lotto runner. Jamie, now you can have your shorts. I'm just in my lotto runner. I mean, I do think shorts are in play at some point, right? I do think we're just, this trend line here on the 2-minute is just too perfect. It got moved. But this is just too perfect, right? Not to get ran back through eventually. That is a perfect trend line on the 2-minute. But the problem is you're kind of fighting the hourly trend line, the higher time frame trend line, which is nice too. So, and this is a big hourly gap here. I think if we can kind of close above this, which is a ways to go, we see 782. But I don't know. I think 500 is a good target here. We may not make it there. We may not. Again, ES is almost approaching that 7,500 level again, 7,490, I mean. And it's got a data wick up there, 7,498. So it's got about 10 more points to go. That could put us up into the 500 level. We'll see. We shall see. Total 1490. Let's go. Who got the code, guys? Who got the code? Japan news or China will be the short. It could be. Who got the code? Just dropping codes in the chat tonight, guys. Maybe there'll be one more. Oh, you saved 1.5K? Oh. Alexi got it. Let's go. I didn't even notice what you were saying. Oh. I didn't even notice what you meant. You got to be faster than that, guys. It's like, you know, hanging that dollar out over you. I can't remember what insurance company used to do that. You got to be faster than that. Is this the bottom? I mean, Dr. Doom, it feels a lot like it, doesn't it? Feels a lot like it, but I mean, if we look back at the 2-minute here, I mean, it's just higher low and higher high pretty much, right? Yeah. Now I need to check what's the activation fee for the 150K. Oof. I think, man, what is it? I don't even know. I think they're all the same right now, are they not? I could be wrong though. I don't know. I don't even imagine it'd be more than, is it? I don't think it'd be more than like 150, huh? I don't know. Daily bottom? Maybe. I do kind of feel like we're going to come back and clean some of this up. I wouldn't be shocked to see us come back and take out this opening 5-minute wick at 6. 304. What up, palm tree? 159. Yeah, that's not bad. Not too bad. It's so funny because when they first started giving me codes, they worked on the no activation fee accounts. But they quickly plugged that hole. It was a couple of days where they worked. There's the pullback. 2-minute short might get triggered here. So here's the thing. I don't hate this potential short here. I'm going to drag this over here so I can draw some stuff out. Like, I think that pullback to 304 kind of makes a little bit of sense. You do kind of have a sharper, oh, darn it, short term trend line here. If you do decide to short, stop to break even at 361. That's your entry there. It just triggered. So stop to break even scale 361. I'm not in short, guys, because you guys know I'm long over here. Call 30. Let's go, Jamie. Nice job. Might get trailed out. I mean, let's be honest. What's the most important thing in trading, right? The most important thing in trading is knowing the draw on liquidity. That's why I believed in that level so much. That's why I believed in the 1450, the 414 level, because it didn't get taken on the NQ. So I know where the market's going there, at least to that level. I know where the market's going. What it does beyond that, I have no idea. It makes trading a lot easier when you kind of have a pretty good idea where the market's going. But this is a good short setup. We have an SMT at the high with ES. ES did not take out the data wick, right? I don't like SMTs at the data wick, but you could use that. We tapped into an hourly bearish fair value gap, and we have a nice death candle back through a 2-minute gap here. Boom, 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 boom. Massive low volume node on the weekly. Now, I'm still bullish overall, so I don't like the short. If we broke this bigger 2-minute trend line, then I think that I would like the short better. But, I mean, it's already paid quite a bit. 18 points. And there is an argument to go break even at the 50 EMA, right? There's a trend line here. There's a 50 EMA here. You could make an argument that you should go break even here at 372. Possible M pattern. Could be kind of an ugly one. But me personally, you guys know I'm long over here, so I'm not in the short. But it could pay. Now, it's already paid. And this is one of those trades where you could honestly not go break even here until we hit 361. Because like if this breaks this trend line with some speed, I mean, you're going to run down into the 300 pretty fast. You also have that good draw down there at 283 as well. iTrades, what up? At this point, you really want to kind of see it hold below like 405. Gets back above there, we're probably just going to squeeze back through the high, but again, you can see like I don't just marry a bias, right? I'm not just like unless we got some sort of obvious draw, but like I could see this coming back down as well. I could really see it coming back down, but I could also see it just continuing higher. Again, ES did not take the data high. That's not a great sign for bears. Not a great sign for bears. Do I have trading pit code? No. I don't know who trade. I've never messed around with trading pit either. I know there's all kind of props, Alexi, and I try to like stick to the ones that I actually use, but yeah, I haven't heard a lot about trading pit. But we could get one. We could get one. Let's take a look at the trading pit. You spent a lot and going to spend another 500 a day. Oh, hold on. Wait, Alexi. Give me a minute. Register with the affiliate. Let's see if they got an automatic affiliate. Give me a moment, Alexi. Communication language. We'll go with English. See if they let me choose a code. Oh, it says an account matches this. Maybe I do have it. Maybe I do have it. Hold on. It says an account matches this information. Well, what the who? Log in. Okay, let's see. I don't know the password, so. Let's reset the password. Could just find a cash account with 500 and trade one micro. Oh, they have a great sale ending tomorrow. All right, let me see here. I got to reset the password. I must have looked at them before if I have an account. Let's see if we get in there. I mean, why is it? Nope. Being a little weird, not letting me, if you don't see the email, check your spam folder. You did so much better on, yeah, it's all good, TJ. Nothing wrong with that. So that would be the spot where I'd probably go break even if I was short there. I don't know why it's saying that I have an account already, but it's not sending me a reset email. It's weird. Let me try it again. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, we're at the trend line here. What happens? Short-term trend line. So they said they just sent me an email with my login details. So let's see. That's probably why I don't know the password. All right, let's log in. They make you use what? No wonder, guys. You got to use two uppercases. That's why I don't know the password. You got to use two uppercase and two special characters. Let's definitely save this password. Who that with? Trading bit. Start a $300 cash account, got it to 600, then a Trump tweet came and wiped out your 600 in a few seconds. It's not related to Armpit Family Trader. Who the hell is that? Oh my gosh. Armpit Family Trader? Oh shit. Looks like I'm going to get stopped here, guys. We broke the trend line, closed below. Probably going to be stopped here. All right, well, that's weird. I don't know what it's doing there. Let's just do it the other way. Well, let's just try it another way. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Passwords do not match. Call 2 more. Let's go. Account matches this phone number. What do you mean? I mean, I guess I don't know. It's weird. It's saying account matches this phone number. Somebody have my phone number on here? Oh, no clue. There's a 361, kind of left equal lows there. Short work there, but very, very, very slow. I don't know, Alexi. I may not be able to get a code there because it's being weird saying an account matches my phone number, even though it doesn't. I'll try it one more time, but doesn't look like it. You're gone. You expect 28,000 retests before London? Ooh, got a little bouncy bouncy right there on a new 5-minute candle. Oh, let me do this. ES popping off that 82 area, trying to get back above there. One Trump tweet away. You ain't lying. You are not lying. I don't know. It's acting like I have an account with them, but it's not letting me. It won't let me sign in. So you can try code MM. I don't know if it'll work. I have no idea. No idea. May have to get on with like chat with them or something. Because I don't understand why it's doing that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like that probably just a little fake back to the upside here. You want to see it complete that ugly M pattern? It might. It very well might. It's struggling here, though. Struggle bus. They got to transfer me to a human. A human. A human. You suck at entering longs. Nah, it's not a bad premise not to. I think Huss kind of does that too. He doesn't like being at previous day high and stuff like that, but it's not a bad idea to stay away from those levels. If we get stopped out here on the runner, guys, we'll still be up $1,600 on the night. And then 386 over here. So a pretty good little night there. 25K builder up 386. TPT account up 1,600. So no, those aren't funded, Coper. We're trying to get them there. Trying to get them to funded. Doing our best. I haven't found a funded trade worthy of taking tonight. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do have 1 day left in the Take Profit Trader, guys. I think we need 5 more sales. We got a lot of sales ending tomorrow. The 50% off the My Funded Futures accounts will end tomorrow. Remember, guys, you got 2 uses per account type. So 2 Pro, 2 Flex, 2 Rapid, whatever it is, 2 Builder. Maybe the Flex isn't in there. But 2 Rapid, 2 Pro, 2 Builder. You get 50% off twice on each of those account types. Use code MM. Apex 90% off. Use code Myth. Man, that's a death candle. Every other prop firm use code MM. But a lot of these good sales that we've had this month are going to end tomorrow, so we'll see. Trying to get it past one My Funded Futures 150K. Nice, nice. There's the clean sweep of 61. Pretty bullish reaction off that level. Testing that downtrend. Again, ES did not run that 98, guys. Did not run it. $74.98 data wick still sitting up there for the ES. I'm not going to say that like the ES can't come all the way back down to 68 one more time before it kind of goes back up to the 98. That certainly could happen. And we do got some decent news tonight, seems like, so maybe it'll move the market a little bit. Who knows? What have I been missing on Twitter tonight? What did we miss? Oh my goodness. Ike is hilarious. IQ just doesn't want to dump. Yeah. That's the difficulty. Like, it might eventually, but oh my goodness. Twitter is undefeated. Undefeated, guys. All right, guys, about 5 more minutes. We're going to do the giveaway. Not really anything to talk about here. We're just waiting, right? I feel like I get stopped out of this trade, but it could very well. It could just go. You never know. Untradeable iTrades, yeah, unless you're already in it, it's kind of not doing anything right now. What's the activation fee for the 25K legacy account? Let me look. I don't know. I think it's $59, but it depends. I think it does depend on. Let's see what it is. I think it's. I could be wrong. I don't want to say until I know. Let me look. 25K legacy. $69. 69. That is the intraday trail, obviously. $99 on the end of day, but that's not the legacy. Yeah, no problem. No problem. All right, back above 28,400 here. Or at least attempting. So you can see how, that's why I was talking about, you know, kind of scaling at 61 there. If you're really taking a short, that really is the spot you want to see kind of get some momentum through. And we just could not do it. Just couldn't do it. It looked good for a moment. Looked really good for a moment. But now right back to grinding back up. That's a nice little push. Nice push. You have the 8 o'clock top of the hour coming up in about 20 minutes. We get back above the high here, guys. It might be off to the races. It might be. Again, I'll look to cover this position fully if ES takes out 74.98. I'll even move the target up if I got to. So we want to see ES take that 74.98. ES looking quite a bit weaker here than NQ. I drew that trend line there. It's kind of, you know, seeing NQ break it, but ES kind of held it. So, but let's see if ES can get up to that data high up there. Can it do it? Yeah, we're going to do the giveaway in just a minute, Wesley. In fact, I think we're just going to go ahead and shotgun it and do it now. Why not? Shotgun it and do it now. All right, I'm going to close the entries, guys. Let's put 1 minute on the clock. All right, exclamation point MM in the chat. I'm going to give it about 1 minute, guys, before I start it. So I'm going to give people a chance to hit the live button. I want to give people a chance to hit the live button. That way, if you're behind, if you're lagging behind a little bit here, it'll give you a chance to kind of hit the live button to catch up, because you're only going to have 1 minute to enter. Exclamation point MM in the chat's going to be the deal. All right, let's run it. And go. 1 minute to get in. So if you already entered earlier, you need to enter again. Exclamation point MM. "30 seconds left to enter. "15 seconds. And no more entries. I'm going to put all of you in the race. We're going to put you all in the race. Let's slide this over. Shuffle you guys around. Go! And they're off. We don't know who's in there. Yeah, it's a whole lot of PPs in one room. On one bed. The blue one down here is trying to make a run for it. This one down here also is looking pretty speedy. It's not about size, guys. It's not about size, okay? It's not about size. As you can see, this one over here, he's struggling. Where's the little miniature one at? This one here is looking pretty good. Is the miniature one so? Oh, there he is. You the little fella. I have no idea who's going to win. Looks like this blue one's got the front, the inside track. See that token black PP? Yours is small, Donovan? All right, perfect. I have no idea who it is. The little blue one is heading for the finish line. Who won? I don't know who won. Oh, I don't know who won. Start! Run it again! Oh, I don't know who won. It didn't show me. I keep forgetting if you move this at all, it restarts it. It'll restart it. All right, now the red one's out front. It was Alexi. Alexi won. He hit her hard, crashed out. Yeah, I don't need to move. I moved it because I was going to just kind of snake you guys, but it didn't show me the winner. Last winner says Wesley. I didn't see it. I didn't see it say anything. Maybe this is Wesley in queue. Hey, there we go. Underneath the names? Where? What are you talking about? This one? Oh, does it show it here? How do you see? Did it say it right there? Let me rewind. Let me rewind. Why will it not let me see that? Oh no. Oh goodness. Give me a minute. I'll look. methodicalman@gmail.com. I'll check it out in a second, Wesley. Gary, send me an email. Click in the top right-hand corner, screenshot this showing me you're logged in. But let me move this so I can actually see it. Well, let me move it so I can see it. Let's make sure. All right, let's watch it and see. We're going to see who it says won right there. Hey, Trish Fortis. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, I pulled it away, so it didn't show anything there. And then when I pulled it back down, let's see when I pull it back down. Yeah, it does show Wesley. All right, Wesley, send me an email too. It's fine, no big deal. Actually, you know what? We're going to schedule a fight. Gary versus Wesley. Fight to the death. Winner gets the account. What do you guys think? Who are you going to put your money on? Wesley or Gary? Who are you going to put the money on? The smallest. Whoever's the smallest. We got to do a measuring contest, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. There's the builder account up 386. Obviously, you guys know I'm still in this one trade here, just with a runner. Let me find my P&L. There's the P&L. I can't be lower than 1,600. We're locked in at least 1,600 on that. So if you guys want to help support the channel, remember, use code MM on all the prop firms, except for Apex. It's going to be code MYTH. Lil Way, I'm still long. I'm looking for that 500 push. So I am still long over here. Whether or not it gets there or not, I really don't know. But we're still long. That's a good candle, I can tell you that. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your ass. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's an SECO, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs with signal alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.